This video may be disturbing. If you're eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner, watch it later. Today is a beautiful day, one of 3 days we have where the temperature is going to be in the 70s. This followed a week of rain and gloomy weather. I came out this morning to do some chores, and this is what I found. Now this video may be disturbing for some. Walking out, coming over to the sandbox where the kids play, I found this. This is approximately 11 to 12 inches in diameter. Coming over a little ways more, over by the swing, there was another pile, then another one a couple of feet away. At that first one I thought maybe it was bear, because we do have bear in this area. I never saw it before, but this looks like it might be a deposit from a cow. Now I had dogs, and I had neighbors' dogs do their business on my lawn, but never to the extent of this. I mean, it is all over. And yet I don't see any prints, any hoof prints on the ground anywhere. You have this over here, this mess. Looks like something kicked it along. Just give you a proportion. Look at it this way, you can see, and it doesn't stop here. You have it on this side of the slide, and it continues. I mean, it's in real weird places here. If it's a cow, I don't know why they would come so close to the structures. This is by the trampoline. Nice surprise if you were coming off the, well, you can see this ladder's cocked to one side, so something did push into this. Move this out of here so the kids don't come this way. And more still. With this video in mind, think twice before you complain about what your neighbor's dog did on your lawn. You could wake up to this. Well, I'm not going to let this ruin my day. Time for the wheelbarrow and the shovel and get on to the rest of my chores. As I was scooping this up, and this is the most of it right now. This isn't full of leaves. This is just some of the leaves that I gathered up with this. I was thinking maybe this should be a video, what to do with unwanted cow dung on your lawn. Well, this is the mulch bin, this side and this side here. Generally, I fill it with leaves and whatever else comes in. What I'm going to do now, we're raking up some leaves. Going to throw some leaves in there, which we planned on doing anyway. And I'll put this on top of the aggregate. Yeah, well, this will definitely break it down. Don't want to put this into the garden. Garden's too close to the house. I'll be smelling that. I'm still digging trenches in the garden, filling with leaves, pulling the last of the plants today. But that's about it. I don't think there's much more I could say about unwanted cow dung on my lawn. So remember, when you see your neighbor's dog, it could be worse. Until next time, stay clean and stay safe. The guilty have returned to the scene of the crime. These were my last night visitors, and looks like they came back today. A little more grazing. Let's see. Stay there, John. Okay. Hey, big guy. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. Okay. Hey, Neil. You might want to close that door. For the chicken coop? All right. Shh. And there they go, off and running. Closing my neighbor's chicken coop so these cows don't go in there looking for feed and end up wrecking it.
The drone's bringing them back.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Somebody's got a drone up there chasing those cows back. Yeah, that's interesting. Look at that. There they go. Go back to where you once belonged. Sing it, Johnny.
No.
Say, go back, Jojo. There goes that drone. Look at that drone up there.
I see it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's enough excitement for today, John. Let's go back to work.
I